Alright guys, check it out. Wltoys 124017 112 Brushless Buggy. One awesome RC, guys. Check it out. Changed up the rims. I even put some lights on it. Check out that night run. What's up guys? I'm out here with the Wltoys 124017 Brushless 112 4-wheel drive buggy. Crazy fast, wicked handling. This thing is awesome. Let's go for a run, guys. All right, let's do it. Awesome little buggy, guys. Definitely one of the best buggies Wltoys ever made. Check this out. Alright guys, Wltoys 124017 Brushless Buggy. See you guys on the next video. Later.